And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
The State House is really cold right now. Needs a blanket. And normally 20-degree temperatures and 30-degree temperatures, not a big deal. But after where we were last week with it being so hot, I call it hot for November, near 80 degrees. Now we've completely cooled things off. And for November standards, this is really kind of cold. Temperatures only in the mid-40s today. We should still be going mid-50s. And your overnight lows should be in the 30s, and we're already in the 20s. So you know it's going to be a cold night. So when you wake up tomorrow, chilly stuff. Temperatures next 5 days. These are the high temperatures. I'm not even talking lows right now. Peak at 50 on Wednesday, but it's going to be a rainy day. And when we have sun, it's only in the 40s. And on Saturday, my gosh, we might not even hit 40. So that's the next 5 days. But let me kind of tell you what we're going with here for the next week or two. The big picture, when you extend this out to day like 6 and 10, now you're talking about getting into the holiday season, and much of the U.S. is below average. Maybe a little strip here in Miami and a little heat there in Portland if you want to spend Thanksgiving there. That's about it. Every other area in the United States is running below average temperatures for quite some time. So this is not just like a quick hit of cold. This is going to last for a week to a week and a half. So temperatures tonight falling back into the 20s for many locations, and not just like 28 or 29, but there's some 23s and 25s mixed in. That's a cold night and cold start to the day tomorrow. Clouds build in the afternoon. Your temperatures in the mid-40s for areas in Rhode Island and for southeastern Mass, going for a high of 47 in New Bedford and 46 in Attleboro and North Attleboro. The winds will be light tomorrow out of the north. Once that cloud cover starts to move in, though, that's the leading edge of our next system. So hour by hour, cold start, sunshine fills in with clouds later in the day, and the temperature's kind of stuck on a treadmill and hard to move. Very chilly for this time of year. Here's the next system, though. This has got my attention. Look at all the rain here down to the south, but I know you all looking at the snow. You're not looking at the rain. I get it. So you see snow in Missouri, so St. Louis, back into Kansas City, making its way towards Peoria, Illinois, and this system is going to head closer to our area. The low pressure develops off the coast, and what does it bring to the table for us? Well, let's track it for you. Futurecast, here's that system I just showed you. Snow in Missouri, Illinois, rain to the south. As it advances closer to the area tomorrow, we still squeeze out a sunny morning with clouds in the afternoon. Those of you have asked me, will the precipitation arrive during the evening commute? I think it will hold off until after the evening commute and arrive sometime after about 7, 8 o'clock. You see a band of snow and rain. And as it moves closer to the area, it is mainly a rain event for us, though a few snowflakes may mix in with the rain at times, areas northwest of 95. It snows to our north and west where there could be accumulating snow. And then as the temperatures rise overnight, everything turns to rain no matter what you start off with, and it continues through the morning on Wednesday, and it will also continue right till about the noontime hour before the rain finally ejects north and east and out, and we dry things out for Wednesday night. So it's a close call for a little early season snow. I think the accumulations will be back into the Berks and areas north. Northern New England could score some really decent snow with this, and that's also where the winter weather advisory is, not for us, but for areas to the west. Once that system pulls out, sunshine Thursday, Friday, cool, Saturday, Sunday, cool, lots of sun, and still cool for early next week with highs around 40 degrees for the afternoon, upper 20s at night. Nick.
Thank you, Jeff. The Patriots